It's all aboard to make your sailboat and anchor cookies. First, bake your cookies with your anchor and sailboat cookie cutters. First, we're going to start with our sailboat, outlining the sails. Here I'm using white and pink, but you can use whatever colors you want. You always outline first as a border and then fill that in just like you see here. Now I'm going to fill in the white. And it's just like coloring with your royal icing, filling it in. The royal icing melds into there and makes a nice shiny coat. And here I'm doing the base of the sailboat using blue, but of course you can use any color you want. Just filling it in. If you need, use a toothpick to even things out. Makes it a little bit smoother. Now using your white again, make some dots here for the bottom of the sailboat. I'm using another sailboat and I'm using pink this time. Now using your blue, go ahead and make a line all the way up. Here it broke a little bit, but go ahead and just fix it, easy peasy. On this design, I'm making some arches, or almost looks like rainbows, on one side of the sail, and on the other side, I'm just putting blue lines across. But of course, you can make any design that you want. The funnest part is being just as creative as you want to be. Here's just step by step, different. Here I added some white dots to make my beautiful sails. Now we're onto the anchor. We're just going to outline the anchor, fill it in with some blue, and then using yellow, you're just going to make some yellow ropes. And here they are, all finished. How easy was that? And with your collection, you can make all of these amazing cookies.